Look at him, growing up on me. Such a cutie. I'm proud of this man.
Trying, man.
Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, I got to hang out with one of my best friends all time, David Martin. He and I grew up in Boston, just doing absolutely everything together. And yesterday, we just caught up and watched football, ate, and just watched the Red Sox win the World Championship.
Give me that!
Yes!
Give me that!
Yes! We did it, baby! Yes! We're the champions!
Let's go! Piercy, baby!
Oh my God! I'm here in downtown Raleigh. I've got 5 hours between now and my flight back to Austin. So there's a few coffee shops I want to check out and just see this whole city. It's a small city and it's kind of spread out, but I'm gonna try and check out the downtown area. All right, let's do it. This weekend has been so good for me. I've just been able to relax, just chill out. I feel like this week I was shot out of a cannon and I had so much going on in great ways professionally, but I've just needed to just take a chill pill this weekend, and it's been so good just to relax, be with people that know me and love me since my childhood, be with one of my best friends, and just to sit down, watch football, watch the Red Sox, and just totally chill out was amazing, and something I didn't even know that I needed until I was there, and now I'm like so grateful for this trip and so glad that I did this. There's a lot of responsibility. There's a lot of responsibility waiting for me when I get back off of this flight. But I'm just grateful for moments like this, and yeah, so let's keep traveling, and I'll see you in Austin. All right, run it. Made it back to Austin, and I'm waiting for my man Jesse to pick me up. Raleigh was such a cool town. I wish I was there for a little bit longer just to check out more places, but I loved it, and I met some cool people at the coffee shop. Moses, if you're watching this, you're a cool dude, man. Nice to meet you. And yeah, I'm back in Austin tomorrow, back to it, back to work. It was a great weekend, and now I gotta get back to work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. I make videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace!